Torque that bolt right there, near the manifold. It's showing some play.
Got it. Should I clean this section first?
Make sure the gasket is seated properly on the new filter.
Got it. 55 foot-pounds?
That's right. Torque it down.
The first step in the restoration is removing the top cutter, followed by the complete dismantling of the boom arm for servicing.
We've got the base cutter out. Now let's focus on the auger shaft pull mechanism.
All right, I'm securing the specialized tool now. Right there, see the scoring on the shaft.
Got it. I'll clean that up before we reinstall the new bearing.
We need to inspect the sprockets before we put the new chain on.
And make sure the alignment is perfect on the conveyor.
All right, install the new hose and make sure the torque's correct on that connection. Looks good, no more leaks here.
The fuel pump requires meticulous cleaning to ensure proper flow, followed by precise injector calibration before reinstallation.
Here it is, the finished orange sugarcane harvester. We'll start with this detailed side profile before moving into the 360-degree walk around to show the pristine condition. The runout is still a little high on the left.
Let's adjust the tensioner one more turn.
Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment on the left. Looks good there, lock it in.
Okay, bring that sprocket around slowly.
Got it. Got it. Torque to spec.
Perfect alignment.